Hi, Phil here with the 2013 Ford Focus. We had this in today to upgrade the low beam lighting to our new SL1 LED headlight bulbs, along with our anti-flicker modules for increased visibility and a more modern appearance. Installation is pretty straightforward, will require a couple of basic hand tools, and let's go ahead and get started. To get this installation underway, we are going to need to remove the headlights. To do that, you'll need to remove the two screws that hold the headlight in with a T30 Torx bit or just a simple flathead screwdriver. I'm going to use this to get started. Once you have both screws removed, you're going to grab the headlight and pull it straight forward to remove it from the car. This can be a little tricky, so make sure you don't catch any of the edges while you're doing so. Simply rock it out and go from there. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the headlight entirely to access the low beam a little bit easier for our video. You may not need to do that, but to do so, just simply depress the clip and pull straight out on the connector, and then we'll take the headlight on out. Once we have access to the low beam, we'll go ahead and remove the dust cap instead of the side. And then we'll need to disconnect the low beam bulb first, and then rotate counterclockwise, and then pull the bulb straight on out. Now, as I mentioned in the intro, this car does need an anti-flicker module for the CAN bus. This does use a PWM signal, so this will help stop any flickering or anything that might go on. We'll go ahead and connect this guy first, and then we're going to feed this into the housing. Once you have that in place, now we'll connect our SL1 LED headlight bulb. Now, these are polar sensitive, so before you get everything buttoned up, you'll want to go ahead and test on the car to make sure everything's in line. If the bulb doesn't light, simply unplug it, rotate it 180 degrees, and plug it back into the socket as such. Once you have that confirmed, now we'll need to feed the connector and the driver in. Now, seating the bulb on the driver's side headlight can be a little bit tricky. What you need to notice is there's a wider tab and a narrower tab on our bulb and in the socket. You want to go ahead and line those two up first, and then try to get those kind of installed, and then you want to rock the bulb to the other side to make sure it's flush, and then rotate clockwise to lock it in place. With the bulb in place, you can return the dust cap, put the headlight back in the car, and move to the other side to complete your installation. With your installation complete, you'll have an increase in visibility as well as a much more modern appearance thanks to your SL1 LED headlight bulbs. For more information on this lighting upgrade, visit us at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.